All right, so welcome to the last Monitor APM weekly meeting, unfortunately. Basically, I just wanted to keep this meeting just to see if anyone had more questions, would be kind of the main focus of this meeting. Any questions about kind of the transition and the realignment process in general. So why don't we start there and see if anyone has questions.
I had one. I posted it on the issue that was described in the document. We have the Monitor Sandbox projects, but I'm not sure the Monitor Health team would like to get a hold of those, or we want to delete those.
I can speak for it. We do have the Tanuki app, Tanuki Inc. project, but we'll probably keep both of them for right now. I think what we'll do is just wind down everyone else's GKE cluster, since y'all wouldn't be actively developing. But I see a lot of value in the sandbox for both teams, so I think we would keep that.
All right.
And we just have to, we just have to make sure not to delete the clusters for those projects.
Yes.
Yeah, one of the clusters has my name on it, so don't delete that one. So
yeah, I'll probably just ask everyone to delete their own.
Yeah, I'll already delete mine, except for that one.
Cool.
Good. Clement, you had mentioned you want to verbalize that note that you put in there.
Yeah, so we will be having a last hurrah celebration, farewell, get together, virtual party one more time. We were able to secure some budget for that, so I thought that would be cool for us to just kind of be able to get together. I think we'll probably do. We might do one APAC one EMEA one, depending on kind of how it turns out, because I know some people are traveling. So that details will be to be determined, but I just want to let y'all know that that's coming up, or that's going to come up. It's probably not going to happen like next week. It'll probably take a couple weeks for us to get to that point. But I just wanted to let y'all know that that's coming. That'll kind of be like our last like going away party kind of thing. So we'll have some ability to reimburse some food, and I think it'll just be fun for us to just have fun together one more time. Yeah, so I'll create the issue and ping y'all, and then last but not least, I just want to reiterate that I've enjoyed working with everyone here during the past 8 months. I think we've done a lot of great things, and I think we've all learned something through the process, and probably be able to apply that to the new teams that we all end up in. And so I'm excited to see what comes out of each and one of you in the future. And I also want to reiterate that, like, just because we're different teams doesn't mean you can't reach out. Feel free to schedule coffee chats if you'd like. If you want to just talk about non-work stuff or see how Monitor Health is doing, I'm always open. Or even if you have engineering management questions, I'm happy to be an unofficial person to bounce ideas and talk about topics too. So I'm a resource available. I'm sure Matt would probably say the same. So yeah, we just want to say we've enjoyed working with y'all, and we're available as well. So yeah, Matt, do you want to add anything else?
Yeah, I'll echo all of that. I agree. And the progress we've made on some of these monitoring features has been fairly amazing over the last, especially, this calendar year, the last 6-8 months. The pace of development has accelerated at an amazing pace. So it's good. So it's going to be hard to let that go now that we're all kind of moving on. So because I feel like we were just on the edge of really having a really great product. So but all of the people on this team have been great, so I really appreciate it. And just like everyone else, if you ever want to chat with me, feel free to reach out. I won't be too far away. All right, any other questions, comments, final thoughts? I'll add a link to it in our meeting here, but there's a handful of kind of checklist items. I guess I put it in the read only, but I'm going to read it anyway. Just kind of like tasks to kind of tactical things. So if you think of other stuff, feel free to add it to that list. So Clement and I will work through that.
Just wanted to reiterate, when are we moving to the new teams? By the 31st or by Friday?
Yeah, it's by the 31st, so next Monday, officially, I think, is the transfer date. So the changes should take effect in BAM, or at least we'll try to get them in Bamboo and the team.yaml file and everything, which is why Clement put it in here, but hopefully everything will be finalized, which teams. That should happen today. So I hope so, at least.
Thank you.
All right, anything else? All right, well, it's been a pleasure, and I'm sure we'll all cross paths again shortly. Thanks, everyone.
Thank you all.